Our next feature in Java 17 is strong encapsulation in JDK internals. So to understand this strong encapsulation concept, we need to go to Java 9. In Java 9, a module system was introduced, also known as Project Jigsaw. It is introduced specially to modelize the code better and increase the Java platform security. Until Java 16, we had so-called relaxed strong encapsulation. It was a transition period. So in this, we can access non-public classes and method of JDK class library packages that existed before Java 9 using reflection library. After Java 9 classes, reflection not allowed by default and had to use a VM option, that is add opens. So this is the example of add opens VM option. Now in Java 16, this relaxed and strong encapsulation is changed to strong encapsulation. So pre-Java 9 packages also had to explicitly allowed by VM option and make it relaxed again. This VM option is illegal access. Now with Java 17, this VM option is also removed and it gives a warning if we use it. So from Java 17, it has become exclusively strong encapsulation. If you want to use this option, we need to use add opens VM option. Let's more understand about this encapsulation feature of JDK internals in a code example. For understanding encapsulation feature, here we have an code example. In this code example, we are extracting bytes of a string by reading its private value field. Now, if we set our JDK between 9 to 15, or we are using a JDK which is between Java 9 or Java 15, let's see what happens when we do that. For this example, I have JDK 11. So I am setting it at JDK 11. In my configuration also, I am setting it to Java 11 and I am applying it to Java 11. And let's see what happens when we run this program. We get the bytes of the string value. Also, we will get some warnings also. So this happens when we try to use this encapsulation feature between Java 9 to 15. Now let's see what happens when we try to run some code after Java 9. So for that we have a library called constant desk. So this constant desk is introduced in Java 12. So let's try to run this. For that, I'm setting my Java to 16. Now my Java is set to 16. Let's import this library and uncomment this method. Now in my encapsulation test also, let's set it to Java 16. Apply it. I'm commenting this code for some time. Now let's try to run this code. It failed. We got an error in which it is saying unable to make private constant deck constructor accessible. So this module is not open for us. It is inaccessible to access this constant x constructor. So as a constant x has a private constructor, we cannot access it. So how we can do that in this encapsulation feature? We can use this add opens VM option in our Java line. I am adding this add opens VM option with this value and applying this. Now, if I try to run this code, what happens? Let's see that. It runs and we got the hash code of that constant deck object. Now, this is done for constant deck. I'm commenting it again and commenting this function also. And I'm uncommenting this bytecode. And now let's see what happens when we run this code with the help of Java 16. In edit configuration, I'm removing that VM option which I have added and applying it and clicking OK. My Java version is already set to Java 16, so no worries for that. Let's run what happens now. It also failed. So it is failing and it is telling that unable to make field private final byte accessible. So now it is again saying that it cannot access this value field. To solve this, as it is relaxed encapsulation Java 16, we can use this VM option, illegal access. So let's edit our configuration and add this VM option and apply it and click OK. Now, if I try to run my code, what happens? Let's see that. It passed and it gave us some warning. And you can see that in future releases, this illegal access will be deprecated and will be removed also. So we got the bytes in Java 16, but uh, it will be removed in future releases. So now let's see what happens when we try to use this code in Java 17, which is exclusively strong encapsulation. So I am going to Java 17 again, clicking on apply. And here in configuration also I am changing it to Java 17. I'm keeping this VM option. Click OK. Now let's see what happens when we run this code in Java 17 version. It failed and it is telling me that illegal access permit is not supported in Java 17. It is removed here. So this is the strong encapsulation feature in Java 17. I show you that from Java 9 to 15 we can use this code. It will just give us warning. In Java 16 it is not accessible, and in Java 17 it is completely strong encapsulation. So to open this, we need to use this add opens VM option in Java 17. I'll go to configuration and change my VM option to add opens with values of my module. Applying and clicking OK. Let's see what happens now. Oh, my code passed. So this is how we can use strong encapsulation feature in our Java code with different versions. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please give your support to my channel. Please like, comment and click on subscribe button. Thank you.